Meet Sarah, a passionate DIY enthusiast who loves transforming her home with unique, personalized touches. However, she often felt overwhelmed by planning, budgeting, and sourcing materials. That was until she discovered your DIY assistant. Sarah envisioned a cozy, small office space in her basement. With your DIY assistant, bringing her idea to life was effortless. She entered her project details, a simple but modern area with a $1,500 budget, located in Denver and designed for intermediate DIY skills. Within seconds, the app aggregated content from multiple platforms, presenting the top 3 projects matching her criteria. She chose the one with the highest percentage match. With a click, she generated a comprehensive list of materials and tools from Amazon, Bed Bath & Beyond, Overstock, IKEA, and Wayfair, comparing prices to choose the best deals. All items match her budget and style perfectly. Planning took less than 5 minutes. Your DIY assistant not only listed the materials, but also offered step-by-step instructions and video tutorials for each stage. As Sarah gathered everything for the project, her husband John joined in. The app built a detailed project plan with estimated completion hours, phases, live tracking, and a budget tracker. This comprehensive approach ensured they managed time and resources effectively, making the process smooth and enjoyable. The app offered a seamless shopping experience. She selected preferred items, compared prices, and placed orders with a single click, scheduling delivery at her convenience. No more running from store to store. They found the app's live tracking feature invaluable for monitoring progress, adjusting timelines, and staying within budget. For the final touches, they needed professional help with plumbing. Finding a reliable contractor was just a click away. In the end, the project was completed efficiently and within budget. The new office space was a testament to how your DIY assistant transforms DIY projects into a stress-free, enjoyable experience. Once done, she showcased the project to the DIY community, earning admiration and votes. The best part, she earned money from app sponsors for her new project. Whether you are a seasoned DIYer or just starting, your DIY assistant is your ultimate partner, helping you plan, budget, and execute projects. Get the best prices, have materials delivered at your convenience, and find contractors within a click. Take on your next DIY project with confidence and creativity. Your DIY assistant is here to bring your vision to life.